Alright, hi everyone, welcome to my tutorial. I'm going to be doing this look. Hope you guys enjoy, hope you guys learned something, and thank you for clicking on my video. Bringing out the reindeer ears. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe M200. Now, going to pack it on first and blend it out. My little sister's watching Riverdale, so if you hear something, that's what it is. Okay, so you see how it is. Look at those two shades that I mixed together. These shades are from the Morphe 15 Day Slayer palette, Upbeat and In the Crease. I have no idea what I'm saying. So I've reached the level of intensity I'm going for. So now I'm going to go in with the shade Define. Define, it's right here. Okay, going with that shade. I'm gonna go in with the M433 brush from Morphe. Okay, and I'm gonna pat it right here. I'm just gonna keep patting it because I'm gonna blend it out with the orange shade. But okay, I'll just blend a little bit out right here actually. So you see that? Creating the depth. Remember, start out with less product and work your way and add more as you go on, because then you can just blend out easier. It doesn't take as much time. So I'm going back in with Upbeat and In the Crease with that Morphe brush that I used. It was the 200 brush. Blending it out. I don't want to get rid of that orange color. My dog is snoring right now. I'm going in with the Morphe 139 brush. Okay, I'm going in with the shade Mauve. It's right here. I'm going to pack it on right here. I'm gonna bring it into my eye right here. I want it to be dark and deep. Going back in with this brush, this is the M433 with that shade Define. And because I went in with Mauve, I want to blend that out with Define. So blend it out a little. Try not to lose that orange shade in my crease. You see how crazy I go? And that's why I do my eyes first. I just think it's better. Okay, so I'm gonna take that concealer that I was using. I'm gonna take that Morphe flat brush I was using, and then the Morphe M421 brush. Okay, I feel like my cut crease went really good last time I did it with this brush, so I'm gonna use it again. Okay, I'm gonna look down. Okay, I'm gonna blend that out because I just cut my crease. So now I'm going to do the other eye. Pray for me because sometimes these eyes just don't come out right. Going to set the eye with Airspun powder. You know the drill, Airspun for everything. Going back in with the shade Define with that brush, M433. I am going to blend it out right here. I'm gonna gradient going, make sure that it isn't too harsh. The cut crease, you know, right here. I want it to fade. I could use a smaller brush, but I don't really have many options because I don't have that many brushes. So if you're like, oh, she could just use this brush, I don't have it, okay? That's why I told Santa I want brushes for my birthday or for Christmas. Now that I did that, I'm going in with the one and only California Love palette from ColourPop. I want to go in with Diego. It's this one right here. And this is the Morphe M421 brush. Whatever, I'll just use it. Okay, I'm gonna pack it on. I'm not gonna apply too much close to my lashes because I want my lash glue to go on, and it has a hard time going on if I have glitter or shimmer or anything that's not matte. You see that? Beautiful. So now I'm gonna go in with the Clinique moisturizer. So now I'm going in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Blend that out. Hi Daisy! I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in the shade Too Light For Me, 480 Radiant Sand. Oh, I wanted to use a brush today actually. I wanted to use this one I got my freshman year. I think it's e.l.f. Cosmetics. No idea, no label, no anything, so yeah. Take it, I'm gonna apply it onto my face. I've always had this brush, but I was like, I'm not gonna use it. I was like, you know, I'm just gonna use it because I want a foundation brush, and yeah. I can't open this. Okay, I will be back when I can open this. Okay. Blend it under eye. Daisy has left the building, people. I'm gonna apply the Airspun powder to my under eyes. Actually, just to my face. I'm gonna pat it into my skin on my face. Why are my dogs barking like crazy? So now I'm going in with the Your Most Beautiful You. I don't know what it's. Is it the It Cosmetics Most Beautiful You palette, or is it Laugh, Love, Live? Because it has those names in the palette. I have no idea what the name is. Okay, but it looks like this. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe M403 brush, and I'm gonna take some of the palette. I'm gonna take the bronzer, and I'm gonna do those motions. Oh, this is the Tarte blush in Blushing Bride. So this is the Desi X Katy collection, their first collaboration with Joseph Colors, in the Fuego highlight. So pretty. And this is the Morphe M510. Oh, my blush brush was the BH Cosmetics in number 3. So, look at that. Okay. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh, yes. Get all that highlight. Look at that. What are these cats doing? Well, my cat starts to cry. Leo starts to cry if he does not get held, and I love him for that, and I think he's a sweetheart. But stop crying. I'm not getting held, and you don't see me crying. Get some Airspun again. Boom. Kind of want to do lips before I do lashes. I'll just do lashes. Okay, now I'm going to curl my lashes. Now I'm going to curl my lashes with the Benefit They're Real mascara. I feel like I've been talking a lot since I was doing my face. This is a really pretty eyeshadow look. I was gonna do something more simple and natural. That didn't happen. Now I'm gonna take the Teddy lashes from Kiss. I'm gonna open them up. This is the Lash Couture Triple Push-Up Collection. So now I'm gonna take them. Gonna measure them to my eye, see if they'll fit my eye, which I know they won't because my eyes are small. My little scissors. Where's my eyelash glue? I had to cut so much of the lash off. Look at that. Now I'm gonna apply it to some of my eye because I want it to stick on there. Oh my god, my eye's burning. And it's this one. Why? Because nothing's happening over here. My dogs are barking again. I'm gonna apply it to the lash. You ever just miss your boyfriend? Because I miss mine. He's at home right now. Okay, I'm gonna apply it. Okay. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Ooh. Okay. Okay, Emily, I see you. I see you. Okay, so now I'm gonna dust that off. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this Morphe brush. And I'm going in with the shade Mauve. I'm just gonna do my, connect them. I'm gonna take the Morphe M430 brush, take the highlight Fuego. What highlight Fuego? Ooh, okay. Okay, and I'm gonna highlight right here. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara in the shade Ultra Black. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply the mascara. Okay, I'm gonna take the lip liner from the KKW times Mario. And this is in Beauty Icon. I feel like this is one of the best lip liners I've ever used. I went in with the KKW Mario Hazy Mixer lipstick. I am applying the Proud of You gloss from KKW and Mario collection. I forgot to film the rest of this video, so bye! Thank you for watching!